Spending your weekends manually scrubbing your pool is time you're never getting back. And in 2026, robotic pool cleaners have reached a level of capability that makes manual cleaning feel genuinely absurd. The right robotic cleaner handles floors, walls, and water lines while you do literally anything else. I tested 5 of the best Dolphin models so you can stop cleaning and start swimming. Let's get into it. The Dolphin Premier is the most capable, most feature-rich robotic pool cleaner on this list. And for pool owners who want comprehensive, effortless cleaning without any manual follow-up, it sets the standard. The Premier cleans floors, walls, and the waterline in a single cycle, using multiple cleaning modes to ensure every surface gets full coverage regardless of pool shape or size. The triple filter system captures fine particles, large debris, and everything in between, meaning you're not just pushing dirt around, you're genuinely removing it from the water. The weekly scheduler lets you set cleaning days and times so the Premier deploys automatically without any input from you, and the smart navigation system maps the pool for efficient, overlapping coverage that leaves no area untouched. Tangle-free swivel cable prevents cord knots during operation, and the extra-large filter basket reduces how frequently you need to empty it. The top access filter access means cleaning the unit itself takes about 30 seconds. For larger pools, complex shapes, and pool owners who want the highest standard of robotic cleaning available from Dolphin's lineup in 2026, the Premier delivers a genuinely complete, low-effort pool maintenance solution that justifies its premium positioning. The Dolphin Escape is the above-ground pool specialist on this list. And for above-ground pool owners who've been underserved by the robotic cleaner market, it's one of the most purposeful, most effective units Dolphin has ever built. The Escape is engineered specifically for the dimensions, wall profiles, and typical surfaces of above-ground pools, navigating efficiently without the edge confusion that general-purpose robotic cleaners exhibit in above-ground installations. The powerful suction and dual scrubbing brushes cover the floor thoroughly in a single cycle, capturing fine particles, algae, leaves, and debris that a manual vacuum would require significant effort to match. The ultrafine filter media captures particles down to 2 microns, smaller than most pool filters manage, delivering noticeably cleaner, clearer water after every cycle. The lightweight design and top-load filter basket make post-clean maintenance quick and genuinely painless, and the tangle-free swivel cable manages itself during operation without constant supervision. Energy efficiency is a meaningful ongoing benefit. The Escape consumes significantly less electricity than suction-side or pressure-side cleaners running on your pump. For above-ground pool owners who want a dedicated, effective robotic cleaner that was actually designed for their pool type, the Dolphin Escape is the most purpose-built, most capable choice on this entire list. The Dolphin Cayman is the entry point into Dolphin's inground robotic cleaner lineup. And for pool owners ready to retire their manual vacuum for good without spending at the premium end of the market, it's one of the most competent, most reliable entry-level robotic cleaners available in 2026. The Cayman covers pool floors up to 33 feet efficiently using Dolphin's Clever Clean navigation technology, which maps the pool and plans an optimal cleaning path rather than randomly bouncing around like cheaper units. Dual scrubbing brushes agitate and lift debris from the floor surface before the suction system captures it in the top-load filter basket. A combination that handles everything from fine sand to larger leaves in a single pass. The active brushing prevents debris from being pushed aside and resettled, which is the core weakness of passive suction-only cleaners. The lightweight design makes it easy to lift in and out of the water, and the simple plug-and-play operation requires no installation. Drop it in, plug it in, and walk away. Energy consumption is low, and the weekly timer on select configurations automates deployment without any manual scheduling. For first-time robotic cleaner buyers and pool owners with straightforward in-ground pools, the Dolphin Cayman is the most accessible, most effortless starting point on this list. The Dolphin Quantum is the performance-focused mid-range robotic cleaner that takes on both floor and wall cleaning with a level of aggressiveness that entry-level units simply can't match. Where the Cayman handles floors efficiently, the Quantum adds active wall climbing capability, scrubbing pool walls and tackling the waterline where algae and calcium deposits accumulate. The dual scrubbing brushes operate at a higher agitation intensity than standard Dolphin brushes, making the Quantum significantly more effective on stubborn debris, algae patches, and biofilm that passive cleaners leave behind. The large-capacity filter basket holds more debris before requiring emptying, reducing intervention frequency on pools with heavy organic load from trees, landscaping, or heavy bather use. Dolphin's Clever Clean smart navigation ensures methodical, overlapping floor coverage that doesn't leave strips of unclean surface, and the tangle-free swivel cable manages itself during the full cleaning cycle. The Quantum handles pools up to 50 feet, covering a wider range of pool sizes than the Cayman comfortably manages. For pool owners with in-ground pools that deal with wall buildup, waterline staining, or heavier debris loads, the Dolphin Quantum delivers the cleaning aggressiveness and surface coverage that truly earns the label of effortless pool maintenance. Closing out the list with the Dolphin Sigma, and this is Dolphin's most technologically advanced robotic cleaner, combining smart app connectivity with premium cleaning performance in one flagship package. The Sigma connects to the My Dolphin Plus app over Wi-Fi, giving you remote control, scheduling, and cleaning mode selection directly from your phone. That connectivity means you can deploy a cleaning cycle from anywhere. Start a clean before you get home from work, so the pool is ready when you arrive. The triple filter system with ultra-fine filtration captures particles down to 2 microns across all debris sizes simultaneously. And the PowerStream mobility system delivers exceptional wall climbing performance and full waterline coverage. The Sigma's smart navigation calculates the optimal cleaning path based on pool dimensions and adjusts coverage for irregular shapes. 4 cleaning modes, standard, quick, waterline only, and floor only, give you flexibility to tailor each cycle to actual pool conditions rather than running a full clean every time. Gyroscopic sensors keep the Sigma oriented and moving efficiently throughout the cycle. For pool owners who want the pinnacle of Dolphin's technology, app control, premium filtration, full surface coverage, and smart navigation, the Dolphin Sigma is the most sophisticated, most connected robotic pool cleaner on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because pool gear deals move fast. If this helped you find the right robotic pool cleaner, smash that like button and subscribe to TechMag for honest tech and home reviews every week. See you in the next one.